active. Track resolution pending. Hold.
Formation spacing nominal. Maintain altitude band.
Scramble sequence Alpha. Launch in waves.
Climb rate reducing. Fuel check.
Visual contact uncertain. Cloud interference. Passing through, no confirmation. Loss registered, continue vector.
Altitude mismatch. Adjusting.
Return corridor unstable. Tracks lost. Sweep continues.
New plots confirmed. Repeat launch cycle.
Throttle response degraded. Holding.
Visual delayed. Maintain heading. Closing speed excessive.
Structural integrity compromised.
Range insufficient. Disengaging.
Signal intermittent. Last known heading logged.
Runway visibility poor.
Cycle complete. Prepare next interval.
Intermittent returns. Confidence low. No visual. Continuing sweep. Navigation drift confirmed. Fire inaccurate. No luck. Contact lost. Evasive. Reserve reached. Returning.
Clear runway, move fast! Stand down interval, stand down interval, stand down interval. Serviceable, barely. Next phase initiating.
Inbound mass delayed. Origin uncertain.
Late vector compensating.
Cloud sealant unstable.
Probability zone active.
Short engagement window. Damage sustained. Take control reduced. No reacquire breaking off. Last data unreliable.
Accepting hard landing.
Cycle persists. Next wave pending.
Track confidence degraded. Estimate only.
Holding gap, minimal margin.
Climb compromised. Adjusting pitch. Bracket zone active. Engagement window closed. Control response delayed. Unable to reacquire.
Hold position, update pending.
Priority landing requested.
Cycle logged. Next wave queued.
Signal clutter rising, margins narrowing. Formation integrity unstable.
Sustained climb not advised.
Predicted corridor shifted. Contact fleeting, no follow. Structural stress increasing. Disengaging, range critical. Turner.
Aircraft secured, damage noted.
Operational tempo reduced. Standby.
Returns unreliable. Classify I as unknown.
Orientation unstable. Correcting. Illumination negative.
Separation lost. Evasive.
Impact suspected. Continuing if able. Breaking contact. Fuel priority.
All units recover.
Clear strip. Lights off.
Night cycle logged.
Empty.
Prepare dawn operations.
Morning sweep active. Confidence moderate. Power irregular. Acceptable. Climb margin limited. Corridor shift acknowledged. Contact brief, no sustain. Loss recorded, maintain heading.
Unable to re-engage. Recover units. Conserve.
Aircraft down, move it clear.
Wave concluded. Next interval pending.
Inbound count lower. Maintain watch. Spacing increased. Cohesion marginal. Delayed intercept. Proceed anyway. Limited engagement authorization. No pursuit. Conserve. Damage manageable. Returning.
No re-engagement.
Observe left only. Do you hold assets? Serviceable status uncertain.
Pressure reduced. Cycle continues.
Sparse returns. Maintain baseline watch.
Interception not cost effective. Atmospheric distortion increasing.
Contact transient. No pursuit.
No recontact possible.
Hold pattern only.
Further flight not advised.
Asset fatigue increasing.
System holding. No escalation.
Low energy contacts monitor only. Scramble withheld. Conserve assets. Recalculate corridors.
No visual. Passing through.
Damage sustained. Disengaging. Cycle persists. Await change. Contacts intermittent. Classification inconclusive. No launch. Preserve readiness. Coverage narrowed. Adjust grids.
Passing through. No contact.
System stable return.
Baseline watch continues.
Service limits reached.
Operational window shrinking.
Sustain posture. Await night.
Long-range echoes only.
The echoes only.
Low priority.
Coverage constrained. Adjust watch sectors.
No acquisition, passing clear.
System holding. Returning.
No follow-up required.
Operational strain increasing. Night posture assumed.
Night watch active. Signal threshold raised. Track dropped. No action. Illumination negative. False density. Discard. Sustain night posture. No sorties scheduled. Baseline continues. No change. Airspace clear. Maintain until relieved. No contacts. Continue sweep.
Standby only.
Airspace remains clear.
No change.
System normal.
Field inactive.
Maintain ample posture. End state unchanged.
Movement continues.